Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily install IMO application on your Windows 11. To begin, click on search bar and type Microsoft Store and click on it to open. You will need to wait until this refresh is over and you should be able to see several kind of applications. It usually take up to 20-30 seconds. Now it's ready to be used. Click on the search bar and type IMO and hit enter. Click on desktop free video calls and chat, the first option. Wait a few seconds and you will have the option to automatically download and install. Click Get. By clicking Get, Windows will automatically download and install the application for you. The process usually takes between 20 seconds to 40 seconds. Once done, we will be able to open the application and start using it. Now that it's done, click on Open and the application should open for you automatically. You should be able to see it. If you don't see it, just click on the search bar and type the name of the application. Click on it and you should be able to open it. It usually takes up to 1 minute until it updates and refreshes before it's ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.